Hey everyone, it's Jessie. So today I'm going to show you how to do the front post double crochet stitch. Now I've gone ahead and made my first row of just double crochets, and I've made a couple front post double crochets. Now for a regular double crochet, what you normally do is go into these stitches on the top, but we're not going to do that for the front post double crochet. We are going to go behind this post. You see how each double crochet has a post? We're going to go behind it. So we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to go behind this post. So you put your yarn hook behind it, and then yarn over, pull that yarn through. You can pull up a little bit on it. Yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll try that again. So yarn over, put the crochet hook behind the post, yarn over, pull that through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, behind the post, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and that's kind of how they look. A little bit different than the double crochet. Try it again. Yarn over, behind the post, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how you do the front post double crochet. If this video was helpful, please give it a like below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.